anything, so food ingredients lang siya. Because coconut juice plays a huge flavor in developing the taste. So yung coconut juice is very healthy. So yung coconut kasi is antibacterial, antiviral, and
Hi, Rusan.
meron kasing book din, it's an American doctor, Dr. Pai, and he wrote a book on the miracles of coconut, so can you imagine? So we're a coconut country, we have to celebrate all of that. When I went to Washington, D.C. last year, I had a collab dinner with a chef at Distillery in Purple Patch, D.C. And the restaurant has been named by Washington Post as the #1 restaurant in Washington, and it's a Filipino restaurant. I wanted to cook chicken pianggang, which is a boiled coconut chicken dish from Cebu. And pagdating ko doon, we were shopping for ingredients. I didn't realize they don't have fresh coconuts. No freshly grated coconuts. But that's the essence of my dish. So I had to use frozen grated coconut milk. So yung mga ganyan. So we have to appreciate that we have all these fresh ingredients. In fact, I just came from farmer's market. And I always buy the fresh meat. Spoiling na! My friend said, saan ka mag-top me? So anyhow, so in farmer's market, there's a place there that has a machine that squeezes fresh coconut cream. So that's what I always buy in the morning. I'm trying to do a detoxification. I want to detoxify my system. So sometimes I just use coconut cream instead of dairy. So I bought avocado. So I have fresh avocado, and I just add coconut nectar, which is from the coconut sap. And then I added that coconut cream. Coconut cream is basically kakang gata. It has no water. And it creates beautiful medley of flavors. And then that coconut cream, o yung kakang gata, after 3 days, I just put it in the fridge. It coagulates and transforms to the texture of yogurt. So once you taste it after 3 days, it releases a level of sweetness. So parang sabi ko, wow, you don't need dairy. Kung halimbawa meron kayong mga allergy in dairy, so coconut would be a good alternative. So go to farmer's market and buy that. And I think in different markets meron there, manually pressed. Ang kagandahan lang dito kasi it's machine-based, so it's very clean and organic. And sometimes if I don't have the time to go there, I just send a GCash for 1 kilo. It's about 100 pesos, and it's already made of freshly squeezed 4 natural coconuts.